coming in at top of this hour. Delhi NCR rape horror. Tripura girl assaulted, raped by live-in partner. Girl punched, beaten with sticks and steel bottles. The accused put sanitizer in the victim's private parts, set them on fire. The accused even filmed the entire brutality. Now, this is a horrific incident coming in from Delhi NCR. The accused threatened the victim, saying, "You won't be able to walk again." Now, the victim's mother has pleaded for justice, saying that our lives are ruined and that her daughter had dreams for the future. The victim's mother has demanded the strictest punishment for the accused. Listen in.
मामले में एफआईआर रजिस्टर की गई है। एफआईआर रजिस्टर करने के बाद में इसमें एक 19 वर्षीय व्यक्ति था, जिसको पुलिस के द्वारा गिरफ्तार किया गया है। ये व्यक्ति है, इसकी पहचान शिवम के रूप में हुई है। ये बेसिकली दिल्ली का रहने वाला है। फिलहाल पुलिस के द्वारा इस अक्यूज को अरेस्ट कर लिया गया है। जो विक्टिम थी उसको ट्रीटमेंट के लिए पुलिस के द्वारा हॉस्पिटलाइज कराया गया है। बाकी मामले फर्दर कार्यवाही पुलिस के द्वारा की जा रही है। देखिए, ये जो अक्यूज और ये जो विक्टिम है, ये दोनों पिछले कुछ समय से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं। ऐसा अभी तक ये पूछताछ में सामने आया है कि इन दोनों की कुछ शादी की कोई बातचीत चली थी। बाद में किसी बात को लेकर के मनमुटाव हुए थे। मनमुटाव के बाद में ही अक्यूज के द्वारा इस मारपीट की घटना को अंजाम दिया गया था।
मेरा लड़की तो त्रिपुरा से आया इधर जीडी गुआंगा गुड़गांव में बायोटेक पढ़ने के लिए आया। इधर आने के बाद कोई एक लड़के को साथ मुलाकात हो गया। कितना दिन बाद में ये मुझे पता नहीं है। जिस दिन एक्सीडेंट हो गया उस दिन पता है तो अभी आके सब कुछ देखा। मेरे लड़की के साथ जो हो गया, मेरा लड़की फोन करके बोला, क्या बताया, माँ मुझे जिंदा देखना चाहते हो तो मुझे बचाओ। मुझे ये लड़का शिवम नाम का लड़का मुझे 3 दिन लगातार इतना पिटाया। मेरा लड़की को मदद करने के लिए कोशिश किया। आज जो हो गया इसके सेक्शन और भी लगाना है। ये रेप किया, इस सेक्शन लगा के उसको जेल में अच्छे से डालना है और जीवन के लिए और फांसी देना जरूर है उसको, लड़का को।
Let's go across to Anushka Garg for more on this. Anushka, I believe the accused has been arrested in this case. What more can you tell us?
Well, Disha, we have seen the accused who have been arrested by the Gurgaon police, but we have seen that in this case, the shocking brutality that draws the attention here is that they were in a live-in relationship and the partner was suspecting the girl that she was cheating on him, and that is why he did this kind of brutality to the woman involved here. She was pursuing her biotech degree and was living in a PG in Sector 69. The boy hails from Narela in Delhi, and they were in fact also planning their marriage. They had an altercation on Thursday, after which the boy locked the girl inside the room and started beating her with steel bottles and sticks and punches, and he even sprinkled sanitizer on her private parts and attempted to burn her. Right now the victim is in a very critical situation. She is admitted at the Safdarjung hospital, and currently the doctors who are treating her are saying that her condition remains quite critical because of the kind of brutality she was subjected to. The boy even filmed the entire brutality to blackmail her into not speaking out about the whole incident, that he had in fact done this to her. The boy was living with his sister and was trying to look for a job in Gurugram. Both of them were planning to marry each other. They were in a live-in relationship. The boy used to visit the girl often in the PG that she was staying in, and afterwards when he was suspecting the girl of cheating on him, he locked her inside a room on 16th of February and assaulted her, beat her with sticks and steel bottles, and after that he even sprinkled sanitizer on her private parts and attempted to burn her, and he even threatened her and had in fact told her that she wouldn't be able to walk after which he has done to her. The boy has right now been arrested. The mother of the victim has come out and has said that the strictest of punishment should be given to the accused here and that he should not be released out of the jail. And we have seen that in this case the police is also looking out for what exactly happened and how long were they in fact staying together. What the police have in fact found so far in the investigation is that both of them met on September 2025. They both fell in love. Were also planning to marry each other, after which the boy began suspecting that the girl was in fact cheating on him, and after which he carried out this brutality on the girl. He recorded it, filmed it, and also beat her with punches, sticks and steel bottles. Absolutely horrific case that has in fact taken place in Gurugram with a 19-year-old girl who was pursuing her biotech degree. She is from Tripura. We have seen her mother who has come here to in fact look after the victim here, and also she has said that strictest of punishment should be given to the accused here, who is right now under the police custody and has been in fact arrested, and several of the cases have been imposed against him because of what he did to the woman. And right now the woman who's being treated for her burn injuries, and also what the
Right, Anushka. Thank you so much for bringing us those details in this breaking story, a horrific incident coming in from Delhi NCR.